Finding the courage to change, worry, and fear. The emotions of worry and fear are mind altering. They twist my perceptions of reality. They warp my understanding of others. They reduce my ability to think clearly. They destroy hope. Worry and fear can also feel addictive. Humanity has survived because of our ability to anticipate danger. Our brain has evolved to be on alert for something that might threaten our survival. This guardian is known as negativity bias. But worry and fear take us out of the present moment and into the future. We become so fearful that we are unable to face the unknown future with serenity. We become stuck in negative behavior patterns that attract the very things that we fear. American author Louisa May Alcott once wrote, "I am not afraid of storms because I'm learning how to sail my ship." This quote reminds me of the power of knowledge and experience. I can learn to stay in the present moment. I can bolster my confidence by remembering past successes. In the present moment, there's not a lot that needs to be done this red hot minute. Anyone who's planted a seed understands this. When I'm afraid, I'm going to keep checking on that seed. I might give up on it because I can't see anything happening. When I'm able to stay present, I'm able to wait more patiently. I have faith that my seeds will sprout, grow, and bear fruit. I know from past experience that more likely than not, this will happen. Today, I can pull weeds. I can enjoy the sunshine and the rain. My garden needs both. My harvest is in the future.